Channel 5 weather brought to you by First Choice.
Hi, I'm Sian Welby. Well, it's staying unsettled this evening, and then overnight, it turns largely dry for central and eastern parts, but then more rain moves into the southwest by the morning. So let's have a look at what's going on. We've still got an area of low pressure bringing fairly gusty winds, 30-mile-an-hour winds inland, 40 to 50 down western coast, and for the western coast of Northern Ireland, perhaps up to 60-mile-an-hour winds. So be aware, this is still very disruptive. Lots of showers merging to give some heavy spells of rain and even a bit of sleet and snow over the tops of the Highlands. Now, tomorrow morning, for the bulk of the UK, it's fairly dry and quite bright towards central and eastern parts. The southwest will be milder as a warm front moves in, thicker cloud, and it will also see some light to moderate rainfall. Gradually through the course of the day, that rain clears away through the Channel into the North Sea. You can see some scattered showers will persist for Northern Ireland and western parts of Britain. And again, it will be cold enough in Scotland for a bit of sleet and snow over the tops of the hills and the mountains. And you can see temperature-wise, there's a big divide in the north and the south, staying in single digits for Northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland. Still relatively mild in the south because of that warm front. However, things will start to change. We'll get a more northeasterly flow with air moving in from the Arctic, and therefore it will start to feel very chilly, particularly first thing in Scotland Friday morning. You can see sleet and snow starting to fall over the highest peaks, and then gradually through the course of the day, this northeasterly flow will work its way across the UK. So despite temperatures still being around 7 or 8 degrees, it will feel a lot cooler. Showers will be creeping through, some through the Cheshire Gap into the Midlands. We'll also see some for the southeast, and they could be a little bit cold with a bit of snow in the mix. And then looking ahead to the weekend, well, a much cooler note.
Channel 5 weather brought to you by First Choice.